cooking time or cooking show. This kind of vegetables. And I saute already onions. Now we have to wait little bit brown. Then we have to put these garlics, tomatoes, green chilies, and turmeric powder, chili powder or chili flakes, salt. So this kind of version I have to make Pakistani version. You can add also soy sauce or oyster sauce or magic sarap or bitsin. So no need to use bitsin or magic sarap. Just I use only this masala, turmeric powder, salt, and chili powder, tomatoes. And this is very easy to cook. Now we can put now also this organic native garlics. It's good for chapati or rice. Simple and very easy to cook this kind of dish or viand. And free from our field. In other countries, I think this can be available in supermarket, and I think this cost also expensive. But here in our place, in our village, this is only free. If you want to get, you can go in field and get fresh. So just now I go in field and get this one. In Tagalog, usaliman. I forget in Ilocano, ngalog. In English is porcelain. And they call it here, I think its village name is, I don't know, I forget, Dogula. They call it Dogula here. So we have to wait little bit brown these garlics and onions. Then we have to put these tomatoes, green chilies, and this masala. Garlics and onions is already brown. Now we can put now this turmeric powder, chili flakes, salt, and tomatoes and green chilies. We have to wait these tomatoes become paste. Then we have to put now these vegetables. Now we have to cover it. We can add now these vegetables. Now we have to cover. It's already cooked. Now I put here so we can taste. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Sarap. But its taste is a little bit sour. Maybe I think I use these tomatoes. That's why it's sour. And medyo madulas-dulas siya. Yung parang alokbati ba sa atin. So ito yung fresh na porcelain o kaya olasiman or ngalog. So ayan, luto na. Free ulam from field. Nako sa itong tumutubo. Masarap na ulam. Taste is a little bit sour because maybe of these tomatoes. So next time when I will cook, I will not put tomatoes because few years, long years ago, I cooked this kind of vegetables, but I forget already the taste. So by this time, I cook this porcelain. It taste is a little sour. So, but it's no problem. Its taste is good, and the taste is like alokbati, yung yung vine spinach. So medyo madulas-dulas siya itong porcelain na ito. Pero masarap ang itong na ito, itong gulay na ito. Parang alokbati talaga. So next time hindi ko lagyan ng kamatis para malaman ko kung yung kamatis talaga yung nakakapag asim nito. Pero siguro natural talaga itong taste niya, yung medyo maasim-asim. Pero masarap naman kahit medyo maasim-asim. Ayan oh. Marami doon sa field ng yung maisan namin. So anytime na magluluto ako, marami doon, pupunta lang ako doon at kukuha. Yung niya, yung leaves niya, parang din, parang yung fenugreek, ba? Yung fenugreek leaves. Yung fenugreek leaves kasi tinatanim yon. Ito hindi ito kusa lang ito tumutubo. Pag summer season, lalo this month of July. And then yung naman, yung ba yon, yung fenugreek leaves, yun nga tinatanim namin yon. Pero ito hindi, kusang kusang tumutubo. 'Di ba yung alokbati din tinatanim din yon. 4-5 years ago nagtanim din ako ng alokbati noon dito kasi nung umuwi ako 4 to 5 years ago nagdala ako ng seeds. So nagtanim ako na buhay pero wala ng seeds kaya hindi na ako nakatanim. Pero masarap ito, ang niya ay madulas-dulas, parang siya alokbati. Ayan oh. Yung niya, yung tangkay niya, din malambot. Ayan oh, malambot siya. Kaya nang nagluto ako, nilagay ko din yung tangkay-tangkay niya. And then yung isura niya din parang yung yung papaitan, yung sa atin diyan sa Pilipinas. Kaya lang yung papaitan doon sa atin, 'di ba, mapait-pait. Papaitan. Masarap din yun i-salad. Ito masarap din siguro ito i-salad. Lang i-boil ito tapos lagyan ng sibuyas, kamatis, tapos asin o kaya bagoong. Pwede din siguro ito i-salad. Kaya mag-try din akong i-salad ito and then mag-try din ako magluto na walang kamatis. So para malaman ko kung talaga, kung natural sweets talaga yung natural taste talaga yung pinakaasim. Pero masarap naman, masarap. Masarap ito sa rice o kaya chapati. Masarap din ito ihalo sa sa munggo siguro. Yung Sorry. Kasi nilagyan ko dito ng yung chili powder kaya medyo spicy. Masarap din siguro ito halo sa sa munggo beans. 'Di ba yung munggo beans sinhaloan natin ng alokbati. So mag-try din ako pag nagluto ako ng alokbati, ng munggo beans. Haluan ko din nito. Kaya ayan. Pag nakakita kayo nito, magluto kayo, hindi ito sabi nila sa Pilipinas, damo ito eh. Inapak-apakan lang sa Pilipinas, pero sa ibang lugar, sa ibang country, binibenta ito by bundle sa sa supermarket. Mahal nga siguro daw ito eh. Pero dito sa aming village talaga, kusa lang ito tumutubo. Ayan